Alright, hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Hannah, back with another video. Today I think I'm gonna do a kind of collective haul and show you guys things that I haven't shown you yet, but that I really love and have been loving and that are somewhat new. So yeah, I feel like I haven't done like a fashion video in a while. Well, I did that summer lookbook, but I want to like talk about it, you know, let's talk about it. Also, I wanted to say thank you guys so much for your positive, amazing, thoughtful feedback. The other day when I uploaded the answering your questions I've been avoiding, I had friends text me that they were proud of me, and I had a lot of you guys in the comments just saying, you know, like, this is the Hannah I remember and I love. So yeah, that really put me in the excited mode, and like, I don't know, I just feel so like clean and fresh. I don't know, but thank you for being such amazing viewers. Like, damn, dude. Anyways, I got my nails done yesterday and I haven't got them this short or like this girly looking in so long, and like I'm still kind of like trying to get more into it, but well, I didn't think that they were gonna make it this short, but because you know I usually go really long when I go acrylic. Anyways, I have my two big lights right here and I hope that you can't hear them and they're not too loud. But oh, I also wanted to mention, guys, that in that video answering questions I've been avoiding, I do mention making a video about birth control, and there has been so many girls saying please make a birth control video. Well, I want to make this video for you guys, but I wanted to wait to talk about the birth control I'm on now. I was kind of thinking should wait about like at least a full 2 months or 3 months. Well, I have a doctor's appointment with my gyno to go back in 3 months since I have had it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys that I transferred to the NuvaRing birth control, but I want to make a video talking about its effects versus the next one on, and basically my whole birth control journey. So I want to ask you guys if you don't mind if I wait that long. I have already been having some side effects, so I could talk on those, but probably towards like the end of August I would say is probably a good time for me to make it. I just want to be sure and really observe myself before I give you guys any information from my experience. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys some clothes. And yeah, I got this a while back, this dress that I'm wearing. I got it at Urban Outfitters, and I am just wearing at the beginning of this because like I posted multiple pictures of me in it on Instagram, so a lot of people were asking, and I think I answered to a couple people in the comments that it's from Urban Outfitters, but I don't know, it wasn't in any of my videos yet. So here I am wearing it. I'm gonna give you guys a little rundown of everything. Probably gonna be adjusting camera a little bit though. But yeah, I'm just filming this in my living room. I'm gonna show you guys this. So I'm not wearing a bra with it because I have big boobs and it just looks really weird, like, because this button is really tight, so it already kind of makes that line, but it's a thick white denim material, so yeah, I don't think you'll be able to be seeing anything. It buttons all the way down and it's all white, so kind of spooky, but I love it. I think it always makes me look really tan when I wear it, and it was Urban Outfitters though, so it was kind of expensive. Something that I always want to keep though. But yeah, it's nice because you don't have to wear a bra with it, and it probably looks better even if you have smaller boobs too, so because you don't have that bulging line. Anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys all my new stuff for the summer. I went to Forever 21. I copped a lot of shit. I got Princess Polly stuff. I got a lot of stuff to talk about, so I'm like trying to grow my bangs out, so they could look really awkward. I'll try to like push them back, but then they come back like really awkward, so like just ignore how long they are. I don't know, guys. The star choker is from Princess Polly online, and so are these earrings. I'm gonna go put on the next thing. Oh, what's up? Hey, it's just me, the girl next door. Just ignore me. Okay, so yeah, I got this really sweet little top from Forever 21. I don't know, it's just really girly and cute. I just paired it with these high-waisted shorts and this like old-fashioned looking belt. I copped this at a vintage shop here in Fayetteville, but I don't have to wear a bra with this either because it's just so tight, so I like that. You know, anything you don't have to wear a bra in, like, I call that a score. And it doesn't come along that often for girls like me, so, you know. But I thought she was cute, you know. It was probably only like 12 bucks, you know, Forever 21. Adjustable straps. I really like the bottom of it, how it like comes out. Next. Oh, Cushy. Okay, so I got this sweet little crop top at Forever 21, and it can go like that if you want it to. But I think it's a super cute top. I think it's supposed to really just be worn like this, but you can also wear it without a bra. I know my friend Bia has the same top and she doesn't need to wear a bra, so she looks great rocking it without a bra. And then we got these shorts. These are super cute. These are from a sweet little shop called Edgy, and it's EGGY. So yeah, and there's a zipper. There's a zipper in the back, and I think it's so cute, honestly, because it looks like a skirt, just like a really like short skirt, but they short, so like you can do whatever, girl. So this is a really sweet little set of overalls that I got, and kind of like is a little loose, you know, and the other day I wore it and I thought it was really cute. I'm also wearing a one piece underneath this that is from Princess Polly as well. I want to see if this could make it cuter. Oh, it has a gold buckle, but maybe it won't clash that bad. But I just want to see if I can make it cuter, like more fitted to me. This is the first time I've put this bodysuit underneath it, and I actually don't know if I'm loving it, but I do love the bodysuit. Is that cute? I wish I had pockets. That's like the only thing. I got these tiny pockets, but like what am I gonna put in there? Ooh, that's cute. I think that's cute. Honestly, I think this set of overalls is cuter with a different top underneath it that comes up higher, and like I just wanted to show you guys the bodysuit though, and I didn't know what to wear it with. And like this zips all the way down. Alright, so I also got this layered necklace from Princess Polly. It's like a little diamond, a little circle, I guess, and then a moon, and then a circle again. But yeah, this video is not sponsored by Princess Polly, by the way. But I'm about to show you these pants, and they look so cute. Wait, oh. Alright guys, check it out. I have a zipper on this side, and this is my belt. I got this belt from Target, but it's just one of those where you can put it in any of the holes. They already fit me without the belt, but I'm just gonna get it. Can I just, show y'all real quick? Like, these are so cute. Like, what? I know a lot of people might not be a fan of like the burnt orange color, but I personally love this color for the summer. I don't know if it makes my butt look good, but I don't even care, dude. I love these. I am gonna take it off so you guys can see it without the belt. But yeah, these are a corduroy as well, just so you guys can see the color well. There you go. The pants are from Princess Polly, by the way. I don't know if I already said that, but Princess Polly just has such cute stuff. Like, I'm sorry, damn. Alright, and then I'm still wearing the same top, but I'm about to show you guys some pants. And I got these pants from Forever 21. I'm just gonna stand up on my couch because there's just not enough space. But yeah, I got these pants from Forever 21. They're black, and then they have these little frilly things. And whenever I saw them on the rack, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna love these. Like, I just have to see them on. But I think they're super cute. And they're super comfy, super stretchy, and they're tied up here. And again, I would prefer if they had pockets. That would be lit. A girl always appreciates some pockets. But alright, and then can we talk about this beautiful romper? Okay, so another thing that I don't have to necessarily wear a bra with. Both sides come together, and that you can tie it however tight you would like it. It's a romper. It's so cute. Yes. It's so cute and girly, but at the same time I love the color of it because I love me some earthy greens. The second half of it isn't too short, and I think that a lot of people would think that it might be too short, like ordering it online, but see, like my crotch comes to right here, so it gives you a good couple inches. So alright, and now we got this crop top from Forever 21, and it's a pretty tight top, so I don't wear a bra with it. And then I'm wearing these pants, and these are from Maxx. They basically look like some pajama pants, but hey, they got the big pockets, and I really like the color scheme of it, but it's a little baggy, but you know what? It's that hang loose style, you know? These pants are the pants that I was wearing in the answering questions I've been avoiding. There you go. I saw a lot of comments that were like, why did you get your pants? So that's where I got my pants. BRB again. Okay, and then I got this crop top. I tied this myself, but it's a crop top that's like pretty flowy and comes to about right here. I got it from Forever 21. I don't know, I think it looks cute and like retro but also like really festive. These shorts from Princess Polly again. I've had kind of a hard time with these shorts. Like they're just very long. I pulled them up like way past my belly button. I just feel like they're kind of like weird if they're not pulled up all the way, but these are also corduroy. They're like a cream color. They kind of just come all the way, almost school appropriate. There's no pockets though, and I feel like they definitely could have put pockets in these, so that kind of annoys me. But yeah, these are from Princess Polly, and if you guys want to see the full outfit, I feel like it was kind of cute. I think it might even be cuter if I put this belt around it. It just doesn't really do anything for my shape, you know? I don't really have that wide of hips, so like it kind of just makes my body look very straight. I really thought they were cute online, so I wanted to show you guys anyways, because they probably look a lot better on someone else. And then I got this really cool tie-dye shirt. You guys are gonna hate this, but I got it at a local store here. I don't know if it's tie-dye or if it's just like a print, but I think it looks super cool and groovy. Like, damn, that's really cool. And then I got these workout pants. I'm so sorry if you see these stains. I need to wash them. But yeah, I got these workout pants at Forever 21, and I really like them because these are pockets. Like what? I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna put in them. Maybe my hands. That actually feels kind of comfortable. But and then there's a pocket right here. But yeah, just like quality workout pants, honestly. I don't know if you guys expected that from Forever 21, but it was a delight to figure out. And then I also got that all white jumpsuit that I posted a picture of on my Instagram. Alright guys, so I think I'm getting pretty hungry, so I'm gonna go. See, my bangs are weird, dude. I'm just gonna get out of here, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you on Monday when I upload again, and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Actually, please do subscribe to my channel. It's a pretty fun time actually to watch my videos. I hope it is actually. But yeah guys, so subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more, and when you do subscribe, also you should hit the little bell button so that you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. Also hit that like button if you enjoyed this. That would help me out a lot. And I think that's it. I think that's all the self-promo I can handle. Follow my Instagram? I don't know, it's in the description. But yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! And I love you a lot. Have a good time. Life. Don't overthink. Just live. It's your daily inspiration. Bye!